Hey. Guys, so we have a good weather today. So after church, hey, it's wet. After church, we decided to come and play small before going to the house. But everywhere is wet because
Mama, you have to get up.
paciente. She's calling to the man to come and help him. Is it not wet? È bagnato? It is wet too. Allora vieni giù. Everywhere is wet. Mm.
It's a good day. So guys, I don't know what to say. Dacca, non so. Go!
Chidaya, come down, let's go. Vai da lì, vai prendi lui.
A lei da fare.
E poi saluta come salutavamo, andiamo. Mango saluta. Ooh, is it not dirty? Ngwa, hey, look at. Now your jeans is dirty. Hey, Chidi.
È bagnato.
Oh, madre. Why now? What is that is wet? Ma saluta, let's go.
Bye. Saluta.
So guys, this is our dinner for today. Okay. The rice is too much. I just unpack it. Okay, it's okay like this. is Monday evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, we just did small shopping. Our rice is finished, you know. This is Obama rice, so good. Block rice and the white rice. Then I also bought Ora leaf, Ugu leaf. I bought 2 Ora because I want to cook correct Ora soup for honey. I also bought okra. Maybe I will be cooking vegetable okra soup for my children. You know, and here is my leaf and the cocoyam egg. But I have a goat meat, you know. I just bought sake, you know, and the towel, no, and the pomo.
I bought the mask.
But I will be cooking soup tomorrow. So let me. No! So good.
Cool.
So I will go on now and peel my Ora. Sorry. I will now peel my Ora. Then I will cut my Ugu and put it in the fridge. So tomorrow morning when I'm back home, I'll start making Ora soup. So that is it. Sorry, I will not carry you along. You know, I have to end the video because it's getting long. Thank you all, and God bless you. Lucy, baby, mommy vlogger, this in English. Bye.